So we all know that there has been a lot of change post COVID in the industry scenario, in the corporate scenario. So how, if you can share, what are the type of changes the industry has underwent?
I first want to clarify one point. Yeah. And I happen to be partially technically qualified to do that. I come from a life science microbiology kind of a background, come from healthcare for more than 30 years. And I was very fortunate in my previous company, Alice Cadler, where in 2009-10 we had this H1N1 or swine flu threat which came in. And Zydus Cadila was the first company to launch Asia's first H1N1 vaccine. And the promoter gave that responsibility to me. So if you Google, you'll find a lot of quotes on my name around that time. So one is a little better aware about these vaccines and these pandemics. Yeah. The challenge with today's pandemic, which is COVID, is there is more fear than reality which has got created. Pandemics are always dangerous, but they should not create a phobia. They should create a consciousness. They should create a concern for safety, but not a fear of death, not a fear of discrimination for people who have become, COVID positive. So that's number one. Will COVID change everything in life? I don't think it's a life changer. It is definitely an addition to a growing list of disruptors. And in the recent millennials probably are the catalyst for disruption. Millennials themselves are disrupting society, right? And disruption does not mean negative always. Disruption is only a drastic change. It can be a positive disruption. For example, artificial intelligence is not negative. Okay, your machine learning is not negative. Robotics is not negative. The automation, automatic, autonomous vehicles are not negative. Okay, your hyperloop technology is not negative. Blockchain is not negative. Now, added to these disruptors is COVID. So, COVID is only another disruptor which is accelerating change. And the new buzzword which we are talking about is creating a new normal. AI, machine learning, blockchain was already creating a new normal. The world and the lifestyle of millennials is very different from Gen X. COVID is also changing life both socially and will also change it professionally. On the social front, what are the positives? When a Japanese tourist was seen in our tourist spots in India, we would ridicule them. Mask dal ke kya kar rahe hain? They don't even have immunity. I think that's going to be a near normal today, because the SARS-CoV-2 vaccine or the COVID, not vaccine, virus, or the COVID virus as we are calling it, coronavirus, is here for a lifetime. The pandemic phase may stay another 6 months or so, but it's like a flu vaccine, the flu virus. The COVID virus is a lifetime virus now. So we have to protect ourselves, though the intensity might be lower, right? Now, how does it change life? Maybe the mask will become a near normal. Hygiene, which is so very important, we have learned it for ages, but probably started neglecting it. How often were we washing our feet and hand and faces? Okay, after reaching home or reaching offices or colleges. So these are the positives which are coming. On the negatives, social distancing, physical distancing, I don't think it'll last for very long. It'll start improving. So that'll improve. Immunity is something which we have taken for granted. Junk food, not exercising, pranayam and all, we used to say, ye to sadhu, sant, mahatma ka kaam hai. Okay, now all of us are doing some kind of pranayam, breathing exercise, taking hot water, warm water instead of chilled water, eating fruits, trying to improve immunity, vitamin C. Now these are the positives, the adrak wali chai, haldi wala doodh. So these are the positives which are coming in. Alternate medicine, the strength of Ayurveda and Indian tradition, homeopathy. Now all these are re-emerging as major alternatives in life. So that is the positive that COVID is doing. On the professional side, how is it? Now I'm not going into temporary disruption because this is not going to last. I don't want to talk about negativity. What definitely has happened is COVID has increased our consciousness and sensitivity to life as a whole. We have started valuing life. We have started valuing friendships. We have started valuing our family. Good food, health, everything. we have also started valuing the importance of a job. Unfortunately, not everyone is lucky in these times. I only hope most people who have lost their jobs get them back, and things normalize very fast. But we have realized, and for millennials, it's important to understand that every change of a job is also a disruption to you, because you have to re-establish yourself and you have to reorient yourself in a new environment. So it is also a shake up to you. It's not going to be easy for you for the next 3 to 6 months. So I'm not saying don't look at opportunities, but don't just be reckless in jumping jobs. There is an advantage of continuity. And in today's time, when you want stability in an unstable and volatile environment, longer the employee in a job, safer is, at least relative safety is better. So that's the next message that I want to do. COVID, I have a patented statement that I've made. Okay. And I don't think you'll get it anywhere else other than my quote. And I hope no one, snatches this copyright from me. In my webinars, I use this quote. It is, especially when you talk of, a major change that COVID has initiated. Actually, Sundar Pichai, that's his name, right? Yeah. Our CEO of Google.
Yes.
Who pre-COVID 5 years back in 2015, I think, said that almost every industry in the world will become an IT industry, because you can't escape it. And that's what has happened exactly now. Digitization, ITization, and technology has accelerated its induction into almost all industries, including our homes. I mean, I have 2 kids. You know them, obviously, both were from NM. Okay. Daughter is into a job. Son is into his final year of your course in Pharma MBA. Wife is a senior teacher in one of the top schools. I am into job. All of us are on computers and laptops because you're working from home. Luckily, I'm working from office. Yeah. So which household has escaped? You're on mobiles and everything is happening on mobiles, whether it's banking, your shopping, everything is happening. COVID has accelerated that for sure. Okay. And now comes my quote. From an optional peripherality, most of these digital and IT initiatives have become a central essentiality. So we had the option of to become IT savvy or not, digital or not, hygienic or not, okay, health conscious or not, yoga conscious or not. But today, COVID has made it a central essentiality. So that is a major transformation that COVID and these disruptors of AI and the rest of them have made. And this is going to stay. Hope the phobia does not stay. The cough of COVID should not be there. The other point I want to clarify here is, we cannot run away from the virus. The pandemic, the qualification of pandemic is very clear. Either a vaccine gives you the immunity, and vaccine is many months away, or you have to get natural immunity. And the only way you will get natural immunity is when you confront the virus. And 70 to 80% of the population has to get the antibodies to the virus to get something which we commonly call as herd immunity. Yeah. So either you face the virus by preparing yourself, by improving your immunity, or you run away and the virus chases you. So I'm not saying get reckless, but very intelligently and smartly, we have to increase the herd immunity till the vaccine comes in as fast as possible by protecting the vulnerable population. And that's exactly what we do in our professional lives, right? I'm not 100% perfect. I have to encash and build and work on my strengths and protect and defend my weaknesses. So I have to pick up a job, a company, a society, friendship who value my strengths without giving the negativity of my weaknesses. And that's exactly what we need to do in COVID.
Thank you so much, sir. You've shared some amazing insights, and I'm sure, all the people in the group watching this will definitely take some great learnings out of it.
Thank you so much.